Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use that LST03 to isolate problem between the main logic board to a TCAN board on the TV screens. This one's 32-inch screen made by the TVs made by Samsung. The problem, as you can see, it's the color is not right, it's distorted. If you move the mouse, and let's go back to the desktop, you can see if you mouse and then spins really slowly, the color looks really distorted. When you play video, you can see that it's it's really distorted color. Anyway, this is part the symptoms like this. The contrast is kind of, the brightness and dim, and contrast is kind of low. And this type of issue is problems could cause either by the main logic board or by the TCAN board on the TV screen itself. By using a LST03, we can quickly isolate the problem between these two modules. And next section, we're going to show you how to do that. Now, here's on the back of the TV. This is the main logic board. This is the TCAN board. This is the LCD screen part numbers label, which is on the barcode label. So as you just saw it, the color is distorted and contrast kind of low, pictures kind of dim. So it could cause by the main logic board, which is this output, or could cause by this TCAN board. Now, and first we're going to obtain this part numbers, which is the LCD screen number is LTA320WT-07. Then if you go to our online cross table for LST03 table.asps, and then you're going to find out the setting status, and then you need to set up this LST03. Now, according to our online parameter, setup parameter, and we are using the cable code FIS-30S-1LVDS6-B2630. And then the panel voltage will be 5 volts, and the jumper 2 should be on. So anyway, this is it. See, this is we already connect to it. Okay, we disconnect this cables from main board. So we disconnect this ribbon cable from main board to a TCAN board, and instead we apply LST03 to it, apply the VGA signal and turn it on. So when you connect this connector, be careful because our connector doesn't have a latch, see, on this side. So just be careful in connecting. And technically, if the main board has problem, then when we look at the picture by using LST03, that we can see the normal picture. If the problem still exists, same as before, then we know the problem is caused by the TCAN board. So now the LST03 is already hooked up, and now it's on the front. So you look at the picture, it's the same thing, like distorted, in some points even slightly worse a little bit. So, but anyway, the problem is the same. Let's play the same video, see what happens, and compare with at the beginning of this video. We look at when it's using original controllers, main boards. So it's the same thing. It's even, as I said, same problem, and has really distorted pictures, and so the problem is confirmed. It's gonna be, and let's go back to the desktop again. It's kind of slow. Ooh, looks ugly too. All right, so now confirmed. Although the symptoms looks like slightly worse than before because it's using LST03, but that's okay. We have confirmed they have the same problems, even though we're using in original main logic board or using LST03. Same problem, distorted color. So it's confirmed the problem is caused by the TCAN board.